That's our rhubarb starting to grow. We've harvested the rhubarb. Nanny's cleaning it. I'm going to make something with it. Rhubarb crumble, something like that.
Yeah.
And then I am going to see if I can make use of the offcuts. I'm going to replace the beetroot, which is pretty well dried out and gone mouldy. It was mouldy before you can put it in there. But we're going to replace that with a bit of rhubarb and see if that works. So there's our rhubarb crumble. Nanny added some blueberries to it that she wanted to use up as well. That's probably why it's bleeding blueberry down there. Okay. Oh, and we're going to have custard with it. People have been tracking my rhubarb on my morning video, my video short where I say good morning to everybody and show them what I've been doing the night before. And show them my snowman that runs on water, and the cat that's been running on lime juice, and the witch that's been running on milk. Currently a flower running on tea bags. And I also go out and feed the birds, and when I go out there we look at the rhubarb that's been growing. So I've had a few questions about what we were going to do with it when it had finished growing. Well, it hasn't finished growing, it will sprout up again, but we've taken 3 stalks, or whatever you call them. That looks like we've probably got enough for 2 dinners. There we go. Rhubarb and custard. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.